What's the matter?
I think it's getting too intense na.
Akala ba gusto mo ako? Anong problema?
Nino, of course I like you. Pero baka we're getting too drunk.
Ilang months na tayo nagde-date. Don't lead me on if you just wanna play with me. Sabihin mo na lang sa akin kung bored ka na sa akin and you just want someone else.
Nino, it's not like that. I like you. But I just can't do this now, okay? If ever man nagagawin natin to in the future, I wanted it to be somewhere special. Hindi yung sa lugar na madilim. Tapos tipsy ka pa. Definitely not while my parents are out there. Baka mahuli tayo.
Akala ko pa naman gusto mo makabawi sa pagsisinungaling mo sa akin kanina. Rix, ikaw din nagsabi. Hindi mo alam kung kailan tayo magkikita ulit. Kasi nga pinagbawalan ka na ng parents mo to party.
Nino?
Rix, don't you wanna end this night by doing something memorable? Hindi mo naman kailangan matakot na baka mahuli ka. This place is well hidden. Walang makakakita sa atin.
Trixie, where are you?
I'm really sorry, Ino. Hindi ko talaga to kaya gawin. I'm sorry.
Trixie, wait!